In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Moonpool Blueprint in Subnautica 2. The first thing you want to do is you want to go into the water. Once you're underwater, please head south and be sure that you are approximately at 195, and then eventually you'll notice that we'll see some shipwreckage right over here. I do want to apologize if my device is lagging like crazy. Unfortunately, Subnautica 2 really does take a major toll on my device, but eventually you're going to see a wreckage right over here. And what you want to do is you want to go past this wreckage. So keep on going here. And then eventually you're going to see that there is going to be more ruins. So I'm going to try to avoid cutting this video too much, just so you guys know exactly what to actually do. But eventually you'll notice that we'll get even bigger ruins. So here is how it is going to look like. And what you want to do from here is you kind of want to go to like the back of the ruins right over here. So you want to keep on going here, and then once you're back there, you should eventually notice that there is going to be like a small opening that you guys are able to go ahead and access. So once again, I'm going to attempt to refrain from actually cutting up this video. But yeah, here is how it actually does look like. So the entrance is going to be on the opposite side. So let's go ahead and keep on making our way here. And as you're able to tell, it is right next to the big jaws. So check this out. It might be a little bit hard to see at first, but we do have an opening right here. There you go. Then you're able to go ahead and go inside. Okay, now once you're inside, all you want to do is you want to go up this trap door, then go through this hallway, go to the right, keep on going here, then go down, and then there you go. We are now able to go ahead and find the Moonpool Blueprint right over here. It is going to be like in one of these bunk beds. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.